Hello once again, YouTubers, thanks for stopping by. Today I would like to share with you a clock that I bought that was not working, and just thought I'd share it with you guys. Hope you're having a nice day, and if you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much. And there's some trouble with the escape movement on this. Up here this piece was missing, so it's going to cost me too much money to really, versus buying a crystal kit from Amazon. Let me turn this thing around so you can see what I did. Alright, so I mounted everything in there. Took the old piece that was in there out, the old escape mechanism, and I put the battery and the chime unit down there. Now, as you can see, the kit, the instructions, I would say that if anything was bad about the kit was the instructions. So now this is what you get as far as instructions. I don't know if you guys can see that. So this is what it looks like from the back. And I'm just going to go ahead and try out the chime. So the chime is down here. I mounted it on some Velcro right at the edge here. So I'll see what it sounds like. Two, three, so it times to the hour. So this is what I use to restore the wood with. It's called Howard's. It's really good. And it just kind of takes the wood scratches and kind of just you can cover them up. Sometimes you can use a little bit of filler, but in this case it wasn't too bad. So I finally got her finished, and this is what she looks like. I suggest that if you do one of these projects and you don't want to deal with having to extend the pendulum, just go ahead and do what a lot of people do. They just go ahead and just cut across here and square it out and just have the pendulum hanging by itself, which is kind of what a lot of people like. Kind of looks pretty cool like that. I've seen a few of them like that. Kind of give you a closer shot. And that's the regulator in there, the part. So everything is stained already. It doesn't have a back on there.